Welcome to bestocmortgages.com. 7 things to know before you get a mortgage. Do not, and I repeat, do not buy a new car. You need to shop for both great rates and great service. If you have a second income, it might not be allowed to help determine the largest mortgage you can afford. Please ask about this situation. Don't pay off your existing car loan. It can drop your credit score and raise your interest rate. Don't apply for new credit cards and don't close major credit cards you have open. If you're refinancing, don't take no for an answer. There are some unique loan options if you owe more than your house is worth. Too many people work 2 to 3 months to close a loan, only to have it fall through and you must start all over again. This whole process is not over until the loan closes. Then breathe easy.